Thank you for joining today's episode. I don't tire for this grammar. I think today make we change am small. Thank you say they watch this particular podcast while they run. Abeg make you subscribe to this channel. It go mean a lot to me, and then I go grow for this thing what they do, and I go fit do better videos for us. Yeah, click that subscribe button. Make I no lie, my journey get as e be. You get one statement where people dey always talk, and then me sef I start to talk am. This is how we've always done it. Hey! This statement almost kill me. Now so I dey lose almost 100 million because I decide to dey do things the way our grandpapa dey do am. Oh my God, I for suffer. Me, I live by the sword and I die by the sword. Ta! I no live by any sword though. I don't evolve. I don't change. I live by the arrow. I live by the gun. Anyone will work for me. Now survival mode I do. No, I don't change. You guys change and adapt to the system where they run. Another one. You know, say decisions for business, now they make business succeed or fail. They get one, distribution channels and channel partners. As they hear me, they say, wetin Babadi they talk again. I know say you no know, but I will explain them to you today. By the end of this episode, make I give you guarantee, I go teach you how to ensure say your product go fit reach your customers for anywhere where dem dey. My just dey pain me. Serve me breakfast for this business. Oh, make your story no be like my own. Oh, hey, 100 million naira. 100 million naira. Na him I been dey lose because person advise me. I no hear. 2018, person meet me. Oh, good friend of mine. He tell me, say, guy, why you know they run your training virtually? I tell him, say, no. For better English, that doesn't fit into our business model. Hey, if only I know, say, now can I dey flog myself. You go hear the detail and yourself go tell me, say, guy, you fumble. The challenge we been get now be say, I make decision unconsciously, and that decision now ain't can dey affect us. And I decide, say, our distribution channels and channel partners, now only one we get. You don't ask again, say, wetin this man they talk about distribution channel and channel partners. You know wetin? Make we pause. Make I explain now. Distribution channel, now the road where your product take move from your own store or your shop to where your customer dey. If it be, customer will come buy from your shop, or customer fit access your product from website. You fit even do home delivery where you fit carry the product go give them for house. Then channel partners, now the people or companies wey join help you sell or move your goods or services. They could be like what? Hotels, even trainers for the work we will do, but anybody will help move your goods or services. Now, the cocoa now be say, make your product or services dey where customers fit access them. Now, this statement na him make me blow, and I no go lie. It changed the game for us because one channel we they use before no reach. So consciously, I realized that we guys evolve. Now, why that statement? Why I tell you say live by the sword, die by the sword, not be my own. This is how we've always done it. All those things go make you feel. After the pandemic, people start to they ask for virtual training. Hey, make I no carry last. That's why I buy one cheap mic, one very low key, very cheap webcam. Then I pay for Zoom account. So for class, I go wear the mic for chest like this, put the Zoom, the webcam on top my laptop, then connect to Zoom. And so I start to run virtual. But I don't run virtual alone. I run virtual and physical together. Today, as I talk to you, we don't get 4 distribution channels. Now you don't know the meaning of distribution channel, your belly is sweet, abi. Make I tell you the 4 we don't get. The first one, we dey run physical classroom training for people who won't get the full experience. People who want chop our jollof rice and turkey. The second one, we don't do virtual classes now for people who want take the training inside their bedroom. Their partner go there for there and go pull leg at the head for the partner lap. And go to listen to my own lecture. No worry, I dey watch you in 4D. The third one, na customized training. Now, we dey go client office, go train them. It makes sense, abi? The fourth one, na the use of channel partners. Now yourself, you don't sabi meaning of channel partners. So this one, we dey partner with hotels and contract trainers. We fit run training for location where we know dey. Example, if you get training for Bauchi, I go run am. You know why, abi? We dey there. Remember that 100 million naira I tell you say I been dey miss, abi? These new partners and channels wey we don introduce, e don change the story. And now my song don change. Hey, thank you, Lord. Oh boy, see voice. Hey, God, thank you. You know sing. Yeah, join me now. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything you have done. I beg if you dey find choir member, come poach me. Hey! For businesses out there, where they think, these channel partners wey Babadi don explain, say how I go fit use them. So I go give you different examples. So the first example, now you fit open shop. Open shop means say the customers go waka come your shop, come collect the service or buy the product. Second approach we fit use be say you fit set up e-commerce store. You fit get your shop online. So get one designer or a website or graphics person, make they help you set up your website online, and then people fit access the product from being online. Not just selling now, but using. It depends on the kind of services where they run. Another one wey you fit do na home delivery. You fit come service the person for house. Abeg, when you go service customer for house, no put extra package inside though. Watching you. But you get the idea. So if you carry the product, go service person for house. Maybe they sell something now. You fit they say, okay, home delivery, or you get services. Maybe they do makeup or pedicure. If they do home delivery, as against just make people they come only your store. Make I give you assignment this week where you go do. Make a list of different distribution channels where you fit use to run your business. Then, if you're not too sure, drop them for the comments of this episode. Make me and you rub minds on how to tweak them so you go fit arrange them. Next week, na the grand finale of this 6-part segment where I don't do. Next week, I will tell you how I change from one-man business to one of the top 5 business schools for Nigeria. Guy, it go hot. If you want sabi this branding, we don't help me well. You know, so I get class where they run, ba? So join my branding class and my 3-month mentorship. For you to access them, go our website www.pistonandfusion.org. Now, if you enjoy today's episode with this pidgin when I speak, I want feedback from you. I want make you drop for the comments, say, I love this pidgin, or Babadi change back to the English. I beg, this is important for me, so I go fit improve how I take run things. So drop down. Secondly, I beg, share this episode with people where they run business. Now your contribution to their life with that. Then some of us, we dey watch this episode. If you like them and you subscribe again, you go help the episode blow and the channel blow. And if I blow, everybody knows say I dey generous. You go chop inside though. No forget, say you only need one opportunity to succeed. I remain your guy and your host, Adeola Badmus. I beg, stay blessed too.